Hello, this is Jennifer with Smith Chevrolet, and I'm here to show you our pre-owned 2015 Cruze 1LT. This vehicle is fully loaded. It has your front fog lamps, has a powered sunroof, has your Pioneer sound system, has 16-inch painted aluminum wheels, your 1LT driver convenience package with your 6-speaker audio sound system, has your Chevrolet MyLink, driver 6-way power seat adjuster, has your power adjustable body color mirrors, and you do have your power tailgate as well. You have some extra floor mats and lots of storage. The tires do have lots of tread left on them. You do have cloth interior, lots of room to fit all your passengers. Going on your driver's side, you have your power locks and windows, your power driver's seat. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control as well for your Bluetooth. Your radio is touchscreen. You do have a single disc CD player, your air and heat controls, and as well, your power sliding sunroof. This is Jennifer with Smith Chevrolet, and I was showing you our pre-owned 2015 Chevrolet 1LT.